Honestly. He's the best. You guys should, whatever he tells you on his YouTube, listen, and buy all the equipment he asks you to buy. Because
I don't
they
ask
are the
them
best.
to buy anything.
Well, you are recommending
You
so
want
they
to buy
should
the
buy.
G7X, and I'm saying don't buy that stupid camera.
I want to buy a G7X.
No, it's a very
Content
stupid camera.
creators use it.
No. I mean, yes, but then, like I said, they would regret buying that camera. And as soon as the thing
Why do you hate
I mean, it's cheap. You can, it slides in your pocket, it's small and everything.
Yeah.
But the moment you start enjoying taking pictures, you'll regret that purchase because you'd want something better.
Really?
Anyways, today's video, I am in my home studio with Carrington, and she was supposed to come here earlier in the day when we had the sun out. But as you can see through the window, there is absolutely no light because what's the time right now? It's 10 p.m.
Yeah.
It's 10 p.m. and we're about to do a photo shoot. And the mood board or the inspiration that she sent had like a bright look to it. And I don't know how it's going to translate if we're shooting and the windows or the curtains look dark in the shot. So I have a solution for that, and I'm going to walk you through what we're going to achieve with the lighting setup that I'm going to do for this video. Okay, so you can see here. So the solution is to put a light through outside, and I'm actually picking up this cue from what cinematographers do. When you're lighting their scenes, typically they like to add a bit of motivation. So you can see that there's going to be, a general area where natural light or a natural occurrence of light is going to be in the frame, and then they're going to position all of their artificial lights in the same direction for you to think that it's that object or that source that is lighting the entire scene. If this is what she's setting and we have this large window over here, what we're going to try to do is make you think that is the light that is coming through that window that is lighting up our scene. To get this out of the way, what I'm going to do is use about 1, 2, 3, 4 lights. This is going to be the only LED that is actually going to influence our shot. I have another LED here, which is my non-light, but that is not really influencing the shot. That is just so that you can see what's happening in the frame. Because right now, if I turn it off, this is what it looks like. I know it's auto-adjusting, but with it on, you get to see where we're shooting a little bit better. Then for our main light, I have the Flashpoint Explore 400, and that is what is going to serve as our key light and giving us a bit of direction of light on our subject right over here. If natural light was actually entering this space and illuminating our scene, then it means that you would not necessarily have a very directional or contrasty light. It will be soft because it's bouncing everywhere in the room and lighting up our scene. So to make you think that that is what is actually lighting our scene, I'm adding the Explore 600, and that is bouncing up into the white ceiling and filling this entire area so that we have a bit of a soft light so that the shadows are not too dark and contrasting. So now for my last light, that is placed outside this window and shining through. Actually, let me just show you what the light is doing. Like I said, right now, I'm just doing an outdoor shot for you guys to see. It's completely dark, there's no sun in sight, and there's a street lamp on over there. What I decided to do is to shoot a 400 watt strobe through the window so it looks like it's daylight coming through. From the outside, this is what you get. You get the strobe, which is going to fire the light through and then illuminate our window. I have turned off all of the lights inside the frame, or that is supposed to be affecting our shot. And so if I take a test shot right now, this is what I get. Now, because the one in the back is the LED, the small rig, that is all that we are seeing illuminating our scene. So now all I want to do is turn on the outside light so that we get to see how that is actually affecting our scene. If I take a shot right now, this is what we get. And as you can see, we have this beautiful light coming through the window, and that looks amazing. I'm actually going to increase the power of that a little bit, and that is set to group C, so 1/8.3. I'll take another shot. Yeah, I know when we're doing test shots, it's quite boring, so I can understand. If it is the window that is supposed to be lighting her up, and we're using the window to motivate our lighting, then it means that we need to be able to see our subject, right? I've turned on the main light, which is set to group A, and currently the power is at 16.3. We're almost leaving the boring zone, so. Now, by adding that, you get to see that we do have some light on our subject now. We're able to see her, and well, it can pass. You will be able to think that, it's the window that is actually lighting her up. But as you can see as well, if you look on this side, you can see immediately that that area goes dark because all of the lights are coming in from this direction. So we have shadow on this part of her face, and I want to get rid of that. So that is where the fill light is going to come in and help us. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on our fill light, and that is set to 1/32. And let's see what that does. Yeah, that's beautiful. Yeah, she likes the picture already, so she's already smiling. As you can see, we do begin to have a brighter looking image. Open your eyes, look into the camera. Don't get too excited just yet. Awesome, so you can see now this image looks bright and airy. It's softer than how we started, and we do have some nice illumination. So what I actually want to do is grab a few shots of Carrington, sitting on this white stool that we have, or the white box, and then we'll swap it out to put a chair in and see what we're able to get with her as well. Beautiful. Ooh, that's cool. I like the hair flip. Nice. But you're looking at the iPad. You're supposed to be looking to the camera. And of course, you're gonna see what happens as well. Perfect. That's it, TikTok. Nice. Okay. So now that I have a few shots of Carrington sitting, she's in such a rush to look at the images. But yeah, I think now that we have a few of her sitting, I will want to, but these look good, to be honest.
Give it all up, set me free. You already took all the best of me.
Yeah. Oh, and by the way, I also didn't mention my camera setup. So this is the Canon R5, and on there I have a trigger to communicate with the strobes, and then I have my Sigma 50 1.4 art lens on the camera. So that is the camera setup, in case you're wondering. Where are you going? You can come and sit down. So we've just swapped out the stool for this, and I want to see what we can get with this. Yeah. So this is going to be the frame, and I'm going to be shooting at her like in this direction. Heels the whole time, so why do you
help me take it off, Mr. Phloshop?
So we swapped out the initial chair that we had for this black stool. Just want to see if we can capture some happy expressions out of her. For this one, I'm not going to direct you. I'm going to leave you to do whatever it is that you want, whatever comes comfortable to you. Yes, I'm not a professional. We're not doing any levitation here, please. With this. Okay, so now it's tracking me, and I want to track you. It's on you now. I want to get the whole chair because I feel like the chair has some character that is gonna add.
So freaking slippery.
I'm sorry. I think maybe your arm should also have a bit of shape, and maybe you can also just grab onto like your leg, the one that you bent, like hold it somewhere here as well. Yeah, but let's start with like what you're doing now, and then later on. And also don't turn your chest too far away from the light. Okay.
The things you're saying, it blows my mind. The way you're thinking, it's hard to keep up. You got that beauty and all the brain. Yeah, what you got is deeper within.
Instead of your knee, just bring the other hand down here as well. So grab onto it and then you're almost like, you know, like happy, haha. Like let it come out. You can't fake it. I thought they said women are good at faking things. Okay, yeah. Yeah, that's nice. One last shot. Yeah, pretty cool. Do you want to come and see? And then you can swipe through.
Oh wow, I love them. I love them.
Yeah, especially I like the way it looks like it's daytime, but it's, what's the time now? It's 11:20 something. Oh, that was a really nice shot. It's still tracking you. I don't know why, but
Because I'm the model. I'm the
track me.
subject.
So that's been it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, let me know in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed as well, subscribe to the channel. I will have more videos like this going on. Let me know in the comments if you, again, enjoyed it, because I mean, I love your feedback. And I want to be able to improve the videos I make for you guys. So if you did learn something, let me know in the comments down below, and let me know your thoughts about the way we shot this for it to look like it was daytime. I mean, it was just problem solving, and I liked how it turned out. Oh, and by the way, I also have a digital store, so if you want to support the channel, if you want to support me, helping me create more videos like this, do well to cop something from the store. I'm going to leave a link down below. And if you have not subscribed, I do highly recommend that you do. It's a free way for you to support me as well. And then leave a like so that YouTube will just share this video with more people. All right, that's it for today's video. I'll catch you guys. Yeah, it's time's up because the lights also just went off. I'll see you guys in the next one.